this way to the sea strand, and it's very
all
high.
the way up again. People are dying.
No, it's not.
What you mean? People are dying. Look at me.
Just take it easy. Napakataas niya, guys. Oh. Diyos ko. Doon galing pa doon. Tingnan mo yung puno. Ang haba-haba na. Pag malaglag ka dyan. Oh. Papuntang seasides, guys. Nakahagdan
People are
lang.
dying.
Huh? Maybe they are not walking long time. Hindi naman siya masyadong malalim. Bangin lang, bangin. Ay. This one is dangerous, baby, or once it's raining,
Yeah.
because gonna be landslide. Kasi dun, guys, so yung may mark na puti, nakabiyak na siya na ano.
Stairs, that is.
Ha? Wow.
Stairs.
This is Mons Clint. Namula na siya. Takot sa heights. This one is nice. You need to walk slowly so you will not get tired. Maybe here is very deep. Ang tuktok. Ayan. Maganda. Magandang bukid. Oh. Sis, nakakatakot malaglag yung telepon mo kasi mo na makuha. Ay mahirapan ka nang kuhanin kasi ang ano niya. Kasi yung kahoy na malapit na matumba. Ito ang lalim. Ang lalim mo. Oh, layo-layo pala. Akala ko ang lapit lang. Walk in slow, slow, slow. So you will not get tired. Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy the stairs. I don't have signal, so I cannot do live. Huh? Just relax, honey. Don't be scared. Ayun. Nakikita ko na yung tubig, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan mo, blue. Ha?
You're gonna regret this.
Why?
Going all the way. You know? See, all the way. We need to go all the way up again.
Ang ganda ng water.
We're gonna regret this
Sea
so
blue
much.
na siya. Pero akala ko ang lapit lang. Slowly, baby, because my back is hurting. It's hurting.
You fucking kidding? We go up again. No water.
I cannot run.
Water will go.
Yeah, it's nice. No, we're here to look your book history. We're almost there, oh.
Look at people dying there, but they're not even coming.
No, they are enjoying.
Enjoying. Look at
Maybe
them
they're
breathing,
walking long time
breathing.
ago.
Why you come with excuse? Don't push me like crazy.
You're just resting there.
Murder.
Maybe they from morning they are here walking around. Pangpatibay ng tuhod to, guys. Nanginginig yung tuhod. Kasi ang dami.
Den så fik jeg det dårligt.
Det tror jeg aldrig fik det dårligt.
Jeg vil ikke have det der sidste år.
Oh. Very close. Ayan oh ang yung what's called is that stones. Grabe ang taas pala oh. Really? Me.
Never forget. Var du lige at falde?
Woof, 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 woof.
Regret this
Wow, it's beautiful.
shit. I regret it so much.
Very beauty. Very beauty. Oh my goodness. It's very dangerous this one, no?
That's the end or what? No, there's more down there.
Yeah, you want to go more down? I will. You will walk there.
Nice.
I don't want to walk there.
You don't want to walk there?
You want? Okay,
You don't want to walk.
it's fine.
Oh, see the water all blue. We're down now, huh?
Yeah, this is the water of Mons Clint. We need to wait. Bibi, can you take me picture there? There, picture. Oh. I don't want to go down in the water. Just this one, the last steps of this stairs. Yeah, there, oh, down.
Huh?
But to walk going there, no. Just to look only. Here, oh. Here. Picture.
No, the other one is filming.
Picture na. This one, the blue water. What if my mobile's gonna fall there? Do I need? Yeah, I will take it. No?
Where you standing with your mobile?
You should have costume. Wear costume, no?
Yes.
No. Let me go down. Farther down. See? Here is call me Belcomen is bae.
Yeah.